Myself Deepa KS. I am Chief Conservator of Forest Northern Circle Kannur. So I came here for a field visit at Paithalmala area. We don't have a stay for forest department here. No IB is available. So we chose holistic eco resort. So this area was really mesmerizing. The entire concept is on nature immersion technique. So they have taken care not to fell trees or to damage the ecosystem over here to create the resort. So hats off to Sri Kanakan and his team for giving due respect to nature and constructing the semi-permanent structures. So everything is maintained in well and very beautiful manner. And apart from the stay and all, farm area is there, and small adventurous activities are also there. So it's for a family, it's really nice. And we had a very wonderful pool also nearby, natural pool. So they have taken care of everything, even nitty-gritties. They have taken care, and even food and stay, very beautiful ambience. And even a day like Sunday, they have taken care that it should not be too rushy. So the stay, everything is in a peaceful manner, no much disturbance, and everything is in under carrying capacity limits. So in all the way, this resort is an ideal resort, and this can be imitated even for the department too. Thank you.